This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-Series. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 6.7-liter V8, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, power adjustable driver pedals, cooled driver and passenger seats, an off-road package, skid plates, a gooseneck trailer hitch, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a premium audio system, aluminum wheels, full power accessories, side curtain airbags, front and rear reading lights, a sliding rear window, a bed liner, an anti-lock braking system, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, and satellite radio. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.